generation, you have to up the previous generation, and the previous generation was at what?
Trend.
Different trend, new sensation, the future, the present, and the past.
A few moments later.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Yo, people are gone. What them say? Boss, every boss. More life. You don't know. Vendetta boss strong. You don't know you to do it from far, you know. Yeah, man, you know, you think set, man. I vendetta movement, man. Touch. You see it? Yeah, man, one alka, man. One boss, every boss. One lad. Me, I tell you, people. Yeah, man, a more life, man. You see it? People. Yo. See, next year, Alkaline are gonna mash up the place. See, Dream Weekend, load up. Barclays Center, New York, load up. I tell you, people, and you don't know, after champs, up to the line, you don't know a thing setting up, people, and not normal, you know. I tell you, and not normal, people. Yo, make sure, say, you go get on a ticket for Barclays. You understand? Because that's the first show. I think on the 21st of March. Here's it. Barclays, yo. I tell you, that go sold out, man. I tell you. Sold out. So that make sure say you want to go get on the ticket, you know. For go support even later, boss. Me I tell you. Yeah, man. And bless him up again for his chunk. You don't know. A more life, you know. Yeah, man, a more life, man. A one life we have to live, you know. Yo, big up everybody. Big up the Vendetta people and big up the Vendetta fans, them. You understand? And big up the Vendetta family. You see it. Big up everybody. Big up all fan base. Big up Media Fox fan base. You see me? Big up for your support. You don't know one life. You see it. But look, people. You not forget the ticket them. Barclays I go loud. Me I tell you. Barclays I go loud, people. So make sure you go get the ticket them I go fast. Fast. Ticket them I go fast. I remember, you know, album loading. The Wilter album, you see when that drop, everything get frozen. Me I tell you. And Media Fox I tell you, you know. So you know say not normal. Yeah, man. But you don't know. Yo, you see, when Alkaline forward in a game, you know. Seeing? Yeah, man, when him forward in a game, it's like, yo, that youth had to shake up a place. Me I tell you. Dancehall never ready for that youth, yeah. Never ready. And everything what the youth say in the past, him execute it in the future. You understand that? That's how I rate with the youth. He's a dangerous youth. You understand? Strategically. I saw him move. Silent. Remember, you know, silent river run deep, you know. You understand? So you see when them man they do them thing and not normal. Them man they do social media business. Militancy. The man they do social media on TikTok and all of these things. Anytime you see the youth, you not see the youth in the supermarket, no car or drive, nothing. Yo, you have luck if you when you see them youth. The man a real superstar. Me I tell you that. Real superstar. Is it? And the youth dropping music, them, everybody have something to say. Yeah, man, all when them say a flap and them say 2016, at the end of the day, Alkaline is the man. And them know that. You understand? Dancehall me in danger. No for them afraid of him. Me I tell you that. Yeah. So, the youth here, I forward from far. You don't know dropping black eye. Forward in a game. Because look here, you know, Alkaline could have dropped in the black eye, you know. But look here. You see, if him never have that talent there, would not have about Alkaline today. Maybe he would have end up like Biggs Dan. Yeah, man. He would have end up like Biggs Dan people. I tell you that. Biggs Dan he would have end up like. So the youth have talent. And him smart. He's a smart youth too. You understand? And him know when to move. Nobody can program this a youth, you know. Me I tell you, nobody can. And the youth no big friend. The man keep him circle small. You understand? And tell me what. You have to big up him two sister them. You see it? Kimmy and Kerika. Let me tell you this. Yo, and I want a lucky thing for you once two sister they run you. I govern your business for you, no brother. Yeah, man, it's a wonderful look. Me I tell you, cause you don't know family things stay already. And for see years now, for see him sister them, they behind him back and I govern things and make sure say yo everything happen. It's a good look for the artist. Me I tell you, it's a blessing. I tell you, it's a blessing for having two sister them there if you say yo, is it? So look here now. Make sure people, whenever the Vendetta Bass drop him song them, wanna know, go support it. Yeah, support it. Buy it on iTunes, everything. Anywhere you want go deal with it. You understand? Support the artist, same way. Can me tell you this? You see that youth here? Him build a system of him own. Nobody can program him system. You see Vendetta people them not take program. On a seat in them shows them when him keep him shows them. You understand? And a not normal people. You see it? So when you hear people attack, yo, let me tell you this. Yo, the amount of fight that youth get. Me not think no other dancehall artists if them get that fight here, them would have reached where that youth have reach. In a 2025. Me I tell you that. Yo, me I tell you say the whole industry fight that youth here. And the youth never found out and ball and all of them little thing there. The youth move with militancy, tough it out. You understand? And build him thing. Him never war over no crown. Him never want to talk about him and the goat. Him never want to do none of them thing there. Him never want to do. The youth say him just want to be great. You understand? Because look here. Remember now, the king or the goat is not the limit. You have more, you can achieve more out there. You understand? Because right now, all who there fighting over king thing and all of them little things. Them think they are joke thing right now, brother. You understand? A great man want to be right now. Yeah, a man a column in a game. You understand? Yeah. So the youth are do it. I tell you, I don't think nobody could do take the blueprint to Alkaline though, and it work for them in 2025. It not gonna work. You understand? It not gonna work. Cause look here, you might try it, but you're not gonna get it right. It not gonna happen. You understand? Cause the way your Alkaline do it, I not think you are gonna even execute that. You see, because the youth forward, him never bow to nobody. You understand? Then black him out. Tell DJ if you not play him song. Man a pay DJ say yo, no one no more of them song there. One bag of thing go on. You understand? Show one book him. They must send an artist off of him if you clash and one bag of thing and the youth no melts that man. Cause remember you know, kill them, they want to kill the youth career now. But the youth wise, him smart. You understand? Him smart. Cause I see something I go on right now in a dancehall and it's like them I say yo, and that's why I have to rate Alkaline car. Them youth they no bad mind people and thing and ray. See them youth with them did a fight back then, you know. You see it? That's why them always say same stone when the builder refuse, become the head cornerstone. Remember that. And there's more to forward, you know. More to forward, man. So I have to say, yo, big up the Vendetta Boss because, yo, the way how the youth move, militancy, you understand? The youth now showcase in private light and certain little things. The youth just know, so the youth I represent as an artist. Him dropping music, them, seeing, make them sink in the people in brain. Him not drop no bagger song and waste song. Him just chop a song, make it soak. I saw you have to deal with the thing. But look, Alkaline alone can't do it. Because Alkaline have him fan base. You understand? Vendetta. No play with that. May I tell you, because remember, you know, people, remember say Alkaline is a man. The man have all him social media page, you know. And the man not even posty, you know. The man don't really do the posting thing, you know. You understand? No posting thing. You see it? Because look at now. You have some other people who have all millions of followers on Instagram. You understand? Alkaline reach a millions of followers yet. And right now when the man they pull up on a show, and nothing normal. The man they are sold out show. And some of the artists them will have millions, they can't sold out no show. You understand? Some of them. So it's not about the likes and the fame, but the fortune. Different levels to this. You understand? Because once Alkaline put on a flyer or a him go there, people are going to forward out. Me I tell you that. And him not have to use nobody. The man himself. When the man they touch out, and nothing normal. You understand? When we rate with Alka, the youth hold him value as an artist. A lot of artists in a dancehall waste them value. You go see them in a Taboo, Uptown Mondays, Yasso, Deso, Ray, Club, Ray. Remember Alkaline tell us, say, yo, him not party and girl out him thing. You understand? The man say him would die for him career. Remember, you know, bro, I retirement thing, this is your career like your job, you know, where you work for one company 40 years and then retire after that, you know. You understand? So enough of these artists, that's why them thing easy for water down because you can go, yes, go see them, go, yes, go see them. And then when promoters say, you can go, yes, go see you free, you perform for free. I don't need that for book you. You understand? When Alkaline are doing shows them, if Alkaline say, all right, me I go New York, yes, so that year. You know, see Alkaline in New York 2 times a year, you know. I tell you that, you know. Them man they not do in a year, them man they not do the same territory in a not 2 day or not three times for the year. 1 time for the year. I go New York, New York. UK, you nah see him do that. Go UK 2 times for the year. Or New York 2 times for the year. No. As an artist, you have to have value. Same like what car as it drive out. Yeah. You know, say a value drop. So you can't go New York 3 times for the year. When next year come. Nobody not go and come see you. Because you go there 3 times already. You understand? Or UK or Africa, whatever place. But as an artist, you have to keep your value. You see, enough artists don't know that because look, you know, them party and girl out them thing. And I realize, brother, you not waste enough value as an artist. Soon after this, you not go back in a regular citizen zone. So if you don't go Taboo 5 times for the week, your career go end up say, oh, you got turn Taboo artist. Because majority of them will go in a Taboo, they have to take the mic and sing. Soon after this, no promoter not call them for book them. Because them they are Taboo every night. Promoter maybe I'll pass you Taboo 1, 2, 3 night and see man. See my Taboo, see my Uptown Models. Nah, go and book you, brother. You understand? I remember I seeing people my father show up book you up in a Taboo in a certain place, you know. So when you book for I'm not really say if you have a headline, that's a you see a low percentage of artists at headline shows. You understand? Yeah, and if you check the flyer them like the big show them. You understand? And when you look on the headliner, at the same set of man them headline they show them. Is it? Man like you will see Popcorn one then, you will see Alkaline, you will see Cartel just found out, you will see Movado. You understand? Who else? Idonia. Yeah. Them man there we can say, yo, we do you the dancehall thing like, yeah. Them man there do them thing we know say alright. Always a headline shows. But so many dancehall artists in the game right now where nothing not go on. But that's why you go at them waste them value. But the vendetta boss now, the man they do them thing different. You understand? And when Alkaline just forward out, you know, enough of the industry, enough of the people them never believe in a young youths. Because them a look for the youths and for bus from a camp or somewhere. So you see after Alkaline bus, be a young youth start bus. Be a young youth. You understand? Because back then you never have so much young youth a bus. After Alkaline bus, in a 10-year span, back then you never have so much young youth a bus, you know. You have 1 and 2. But this, how much young youths on look I don't look a young youth where we're not even left school yet. You understand? When I left school yet. So enough young youth. You have about maybe like about 20 to 30 artists. Young artists or bus after Alkaline. Yeah. Coming to 2025. Enough youth bus man. But back then you never really have that. You see it? So Alkaline kind of change up the game this so. I tell you. Because him never get no endorsement by nobody. You understand? You just forward and not do him thing. You don't know them that try to compare him with people and all of them look something there. You see me? But we know the thing said he's a talented youth, so them are going to compare him with the greats. You see it? So I just one of them thing the people. You see, but as me say people, make sure say wanna support the vendetta boss. You see it? Yeah man. and support. Every the artist them have to get them support. Me I tell you. Artists them forget them support. You see, 'cause at the end of the day, music is life. Yeah. So every artist forget them support. You see me? And we know say, yo, music is life. We need music. Me I tell you, we need it. 'Cause we are driving our car, we need music. Then I also need music. Music is life, a part of life too. Motivation. You see me? Therapy. You don't know. So you don't know. Big up the Vendetta boss. Same speed. You don't know. Yeah. You don't know. You fall in a game and make the youth them believe that them can do it by themselves. You see me? Yeah, man, it's a good move, that man. You see it, and you don't know. Legendary. Vendetta boss. You see it. Touch. I have to big up the Vendetta fan base. I can remember, without Uno, the artist not relevant. You see it? Yeah. The fan base, yeah, man. Me I tell you, 'cause at the number 2 biggest fan base in the dancehall. You see me? Number few. That is it. You see me? So, when I don't know people, big up everybody. Big up all fan base. When I know a thing set. Yeah, if I not support the movement, it good. You see me? Big up everybody. Stay safe out there. You don't know a Christmas. Yeah, man, walk safe. When I don't know a thing set. When I don't know, say I want media facts, you know. That is it.